I can't be
Okay.
right over the top of it.
I got it.
Ready? I'm gonna hit him in the face with the blades and wait till she sniffs it and goes away.
Look out, Mr. Mirror. I think they're all scared. Oh, you better. Are they gonna get it? He's scared.
Oh, Misty!
Stop. Let's make sure it's okay.
Oh, I'm worried about her. Are you okay? You get you?
I don't think she touched it. Oh, there's Tessa. It's making Tessa shake her head. Hey, you know what? That wouldn't set her off into a seizure, would it? Hey, Miss D. Uh-oh, Shan. Did you do that?
Yeah, I hit the ceiling.
Oh.
That's alright. It just got hung up.
What do you think, Tess? Tessa? Look out. Look out, look out, look out. I can't get, she's not.
I can't launch it with her right there.
Tessa. Bebo's not doing anything this time.
Oh, he's the boogeyman. He's the boogeyman.
Oh, stop.